Brandon from US Plumbing. We got an outside dig job today here in Michigan. There's snow everywhere. Got about 12 inches of snow. That don't stop us. It ain't gonna stop us. So basically what we gotta do is we're gonna be digging out here with a backhoe. Got the customer's house here. Drain line's running somewhere over here. We got a locator. We found exactly which way it's going. We got water right over there. So basically, this is just the first part of many videos for this one job. And let's just see how it goes. Give you a little shot of what exactly we're going to do. So basically we got our customer here, his drain's backed up. He had a lot of issues with his pipe, so we're going to replace it. So when we end up replacing it, we'll see how it goes. This is just the first segment of the job. We got half of the team here, we're waiting for the backhoe. It's roughly around 6 a.m. in the morning in Michigan. And we're gonna get this job done for the customer. Replace new PVC. Yes, sir.